Hello friends, this is Ravi from Universal Public School, Aurad Shahjani. In last session, we have discussed role of words in a sentence is called parts of speech. After that, we discussed noun and its types. It has 4 types: common noun, proper noun, abstract noun, collective noun. Along with the examples we had discussed. Now in this session, we are going to deal very interesting topic, that is articles. Everybody knows there are 3 articles in English language. In detail, we are going to study them. Let's see them. Articles are divided into 2 types. First one, indefinite articles, and second one, definite articles. Indefinite, a, an. Definite, the. See, articles are divided into 2 types. It has 2 types: indefinite articles and definite articles. A, an, these are indefinite articles. The, this is definite article. Once again I will revise. A, and, these are indefinite articles. The is definite article. Definite means what? Fixed, specific, which cannot be changed. That is called definite. Indefinite means what? Not fixed. We don't know exactly. For example, through examples we will discuss first indefinite articles and later on definite articles. Let's start then. Before dealing with the indefinite articles, I would like to tell you, indefinite articles a and an, these articles can be used with singular and countable nouns only. I will repeat it once again. A and an can be used with singular and countable nouns. For example, a boy, a marker, a tree, an ink bottle, an orphan, an actor. See friends, a boy means any one boy. A and an, these 2 articles indicates quantity of that particular noun, that means only one. Singular, as I told you, these can be used with singular nouns. Singular means one. Countable, countable means what? The things which we can count with the help of numbers only. Boy, we can count with the help of numbers. How many boys are there in the class? 3, 4, 5, 20, like. A marker, any one marker. A tree, any one tree. An ink bottle, any ink bottle. An orphan, an actor. Understood? Now, where exactly we have to use a and an? Friends, these indefinite articles a and an, these are totally dependent on the sound. See, I'll explain it how. As I told you, these 2 articles are dependent on sound. Wherever consonant sound is there, we have to use a. If vowel sound is there, we have to use an. Take an example: a bag, a cat, a tree, etc. There are 5 vowels. Many students are confused. A, E, I, O, U. Along with them, we have to use an only. But as I told you, vowel sound is also important. I'll explain it. Actor, eraser, imlika, orphan, umpire. These all words start with vowel letters. But what about vowel sounds? How to identify vowel sounds and consonant sounds? Take an example, a uniform. U is vowel letter, but still I am using a. Why? Because of consonant sound. An honest boy. H. H is consonant letter. Still I am using an. Why? Because of vowel sound. Then how to identify vowel sound and consonant sound? Let me explain. Whenever we pronounce vowel sounds, we don't close our lips. We don't touch our tongue to upper side or lower side of our jaw. It means with the open mouth we can pronounce vowel sounds. For example, actor, a, e, eraser, e, imlika, e, orphan, o, umpire, a, e, o, a. These are vowel sounds. I can pronounce it without moving my tongue, without touching tongue, upper side, lower side, or else without closing my lips. But if I try to pronounce consonant sound, for example, back, b, 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 lips, I have to touch my lips, isn't it? It's very simple. So friends, today we discussed about indefinite articles, a and an, and where to use them exactly. I hope you must have understood it. Please stay home, stay safe. We'll meet in next session. Thank you.